Thank you. This is Joe, right?
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
Joe.
He's from
Australia.
Australia. Yeah. He said he really loved Cambodia. Yeah. What made you so obsessed with Cambodia, man?
You go.
Hello សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះមកដល់ Hi Thai ទាំងអស់គ្នាកន្លែងកាហ្វេឆ្កែនៅកំពតនេះ Let's go នេះគឺជាកាហ្វេឆ្កែរបស់យើងនៅកំពតលោកនេះចូលមក
Ê, nó bột sang cái nhé. Ít tay cho nào.
តើបងអរគុណ
Mang cái này.
តែតកបកហោ
ខ្ញុំខ្លាចឆ្កែដែរហ្នឹង
អីពួកវាណៃដែលឆ្កែណាដែលថាបានវាបានស្រួយឆ្កែយើងយ៉ាងហ្នឹងគឺឆ្កែដែលប៉ះទៅខាត់
បាទ
វាអត់ស្គាល់វាអត់អីផងដែរអញ្ចឹងដាក់ស្គាល់ប៉ះបាន
ហ្នឹងហើយ
វានៅសល់ខាងក្នុងមានទីក្បាលទៀត
អូខេបង
ពេលប៉ះខាងក្នុងពេលឃើញបងថាឆ្កែណាប៉ះបាន
បាទ Look at that a lot of dog man តោះឥឡូវយើងមកខាងមុខទៀតលោកចឹងយើងអាចប៉ះ Hi man hello Joe good nice to meet you man
What's up, man?
yeah
You good?
I just saw your video and yeah I love to see the cafe
Oh, it's on.
business running well right
Yeah, it's a little bit scat today, but hopefully it's only
I forgot you can speak Khmer too
some talking.
okay so
Hello, min just a prombun kabal.
okay so there's a lot right here I heard about the dogs and it was about only 74 or something and now
So over the last 4 days, I had 4 puppies.
your
one
videos
mother.
in Bong Austin
Yeah.
you know right
Beautiful man, amazing guy.
yeah so I decided to try and what you have here
So we just have coffee and we have just chips and food.
okay
Yeah, it's just a place to come and meet the dogs. I want people who are uncomfortable with dogs to learn that they're not scary, and also
I'm scared of dog too
You're fine. You're fine. Come and meet the biggest one.
right.
No.
Look at that. Man, this is so big, man.
This is
What's his
Toro.
name?
So there's 2 dogs not to touch. This is number 1. He's going out, so it doesn't matter. And one more, I think
And
she's
one more.
inside the bar, so it's okay.
What does they do?
Very friendly. Oh my William!
Oh my
Can you come in?
god. Look at
Barney?
that.
Shut the gate.
Okay. Thank you. Look at that, man. Woo. There's a lot to see. បងប្អូនឥឡូវយើងមកដល់ High Thai ទាំងអស់គ្នានេះនៅមាត់សមុទ្ររបស់យើងហ្នឹងយើងមើលឃើញអីផ្លូវទីភ្លើងរបស់យើងទាំងអស់គ្នាតែប៉ុន្តែ And Joe's friendly man look គាត់រស់រាយបងប្អូនគាត់ចេះខ្មែរតិចដែរហើយនៅនេះភាគច្រើនគឺខាងបរទេសភាគច្រើនគាត់មកជុំគ្នាអញ្ចឹងណាមកជួយ support បរទេសគ្នាគាត់ and okay we got something right here I think we're gonna try some lemon juice man this is ឆ្កែដែលអត់ឲ្យប៉ះទាំងអស់គ្នាមាន chick fin pow sleeping dog okay សុំអត់ប៉ះទាំងអស់ហើយ បងមានអីខ្លះបង
Hôm nay như là gì?
សុំបែបជូជូ
Cái mình tay của chị mà.
បាទសុំតែក្រូចឆ្មាមួយហ្មងអូខេបងបាទសុំពណ៌បៃតងហ្មងបៃតង Hi this man look អូខេតោះអញ្ចឹងនៅនេះមានច្រើនបងប្អូននេះឥឡូវយើងទៅខាងមុខទៀត The thing is នៅនេះមានកន្លែងចិញ្ចឹមឆ្កែច្រើនមែនតើហើយគាត់ព្យាយាមរើស
So go.
Yeah. Can I get in there?
Yeah, just Just wait because I have construction down there.
Oh, I see.
And I don't want too many people because it. So I have a big area over here. It's the big beach where they all play. Yeah, every hour the
So-
dogs will move around.
Yeah, I
All get a chance to swim.
so that size for the dog.
Yeah, well, it used to be for people as well, but
Okay.
it's just not easy when the dogs are a bit crazy today, you know.
Yeah,
As you can see.
don't want to get bitten, right?
No, you won't get bitten. It's more like they're gonna jump
Okay.
on you and you're gonna get your shirt dirty.
Mm-hmm. I'm not a dog. I'm not into dog, man.
Well, you're doing good.
Yeah, thank you. This is Joe, right?
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
Joe.
He's from
Australia.
Australia. Yeah. He said he really loved Cambodia. Yeah. What make you so obsessed with Cambodia, man?
You guys, the people, it's so nice to
Yeah.
meet. You welcome me to your country.
Always
Very
support, foreign people to come and visit, or for just like you come and open businesses. So
Yeah.
I really want to support those, man,
Yeah, that's right. Help each other out.
Yeah.
Support each other's businesses.
Okay. And all right, maybe this is my first time. I didn't expect it's near this rail.
Yeah, railway bridge.
It's too
here.
near, right?
It's not far. A lot of people complain.
Yeah.
Oh, Chennai.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Chennai.
Because I used to go there like Dong Te or
Dong Te,
it's a little bit far away.
Yeah, yeah.
So I tried this alone today. Thank you for letting me film. Yeah, I'm gonna
Have a
try
look
some
around.
drinks. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for
See you.
coming.
Yeah. So that's Joe. He's really love Cambodia, and okay, look at that man. He's sleeping over here. មួយទៀតទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាមានបើសិនជាមានឈើមានអីក៏មកកាន់ណាទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងគ្រាន់តែដើរធម្មតាទៅមិនបាច់ចាំកាន់ឈើកាន់អីវាខ្លាចទាំងអស់គ្នាវាខ្លាច so មើលឥឡូវយើងបានត្រេញមកយើងនៅអូខេបងOkay, mom. Let's get the drink. Oh, my mom. This is just 150 cent. 6,000 ទាំងអស់គ្នា Comport Dog Sanctuary ឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់គឺ Hai Thai នោះលុយរបស់គាត់ច្រើនណាស់ទាំងអស់គ្នាមាន T-shirt ទៀត
Specialist meeting with his picture and everything.
មកសុំ scan មួយហ្មង
Thanks for coming today. Be good to mum and dad, okay?
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Look at that, it's just $1.50, man. Okay, so let me do some more recording. Johnny, you mean okay, the book of talk, the great books of talks. Okay.
Oh, you can slide away.
I would like to be far away.
មកគេលយទាំងអស់គ្នាមកគេលយ Hi.
It's like it's full.
នេះ Hi time អានេះច្បាស់ជាងទាំងអស់គ្នានេះច្បាស់ជាងនេះគឺ list ឈ្មោះសត្វដែរគេឲ្យប៉ះតែដល់ប៉ះ And this is you, right?
That would be me. Yeah.
Yeah. Tah, ទៅមុខទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងមកអង្គុយនៅនេះម្ដងអូខេនេះអង្គុយលេងបងប្អូនអាចអង្គុយលេងបានពុតភ័ក្រធូរថ្លៃទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំស្មានតែថ្លៃតាសម្រាប់តម្លៃបរទេសអញ្ចឹងណាតែដូចជាធូរថ្លៃដែរទេសម្រាប់យើងលុបWow, this smells so big, man. Hello. The last payment, huh? Chồng nhẹ nọ. I think you lost that. Rọt khơi you know. Cho tờ. Cho chất tật á. Cho mà màn đi học ai không tờ không?
ច្រើនពេកខ្លងតែព្រុសអាមួយនេះបានតែចង់ទេពេលខ្លះដេក
ខ្លាចទឹកហ្នឹងលោក
បងប្អូនវាមួយពីរអូបងប្អូនវាមួយទៀតនេះមួយទៀត3អ្នកបងប្អូនគេដូចគ្នាបានកលាតែពីនេះញីមួយនេះឈ្មោះហើយឈ្មោះនេះខ្លាំងគេហ៎
អានេះបងប្អូនគេ
Thank you.